Take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I'm going to share with you my grocery haul. The cost of each and every item here, I feel like it has really gone high from the time I got some of these items. So let's get straight into the video guys. Don't forget to subscribe. The first item I'm going to share with you is these 800 grams ushindi. This was going for 210 shillings from Carrefour. I got this msafi powder. Guys, I feel like this msafi particular one, the cost of this one is so low as compared to like Sunlight and Aerial. So I got this one. This was going for 250, I think. This one for 130. I also got Johnson's. These are the ones which I normally use. These two are going for 210 shillings. And then, so I got this Johnson's baby oil was going for 170 shillings. This one for 230. This 175 shillings. This is Sufficient toilet cleaners. And then I used to buy blue, and the blue is almost 450 shillings. So that's how you're gonna cut costs. Guys, moving on to this other side. This one was going for I think 80 shillings. This was so affordable. So guys, I decided to take things which are affordable. I was not going for the normal jig or Topex. I decided to go for these ones and test them. Sometimes guys, you may be going for those things which are really expensive because of the brand, but then you're not saving. I don't understand why a brand would like sell things way too expensive more than the others, and they're same thing. Azil bleach, like guys, it was really affordable together with this one, and there were two of them. And then let's move on to this one, this msafi guys. This one, let me tell you, the cost of this one is just incredible. Like msafi color jig, this is 116 shillings. You cannot believe. So I got this one, Attila toilet cleaner. I've never got this one before, and let me tell you guys, this particular one, this was going for for 175 shillings. You buy one and get one free. This is also a great deal, like if you are trying to cut cost of each and everything. But today I decided to go for this one. It's always good to try other brands guys. You never know, maybe they would even work better than the other one. So I got my Nivea. This is 615 shillings, this Nivea here. Guys, the reason I got this one is it's a new one in the market, this Nivea one, and also they says it's for stretch marks. That's why I want to try this one out, and I'm hoping that it really works as they have stated over here. Like, let's try and read here. Like, it's going to repair the roughest parts of your skin, elbow, arms, knuckles, give your skin a healthy glow, and also it's going to clear your stretch marks within 2 weeks. So this one is going to clear your stretch marks within 2 weeks. I haven't used it much, so I have nothing to talk about it. And also this one, this is my everyday lotion. I love this lotion so much. This Nivea is 630 shillings, and this one is 550 shillings. So I also got this one, nice and lovely. So guys, this nice and lovely was 250 shillings here. And then it was buy one and get one free, so that was a great deal. And I think this is 400 ml. You cannot compare this one to mine. So we are done with this part. So this micellar Nivea Perfect and Radiant, this one Nivea Perfect Radiant was 615 shillings. No, this was 675 shillings, this one. So, and this, so this was 675 shillings as well. This, I've already mentioned the cost of this one, 675 shillings. This Nivea sunscreen, guys, this is the real deal. This 960 shillings. I love this. Is a sunscreen. I love this one. So this also perfect and radiant effect. I want to try out this one, and also this was so affordable. And guys, I'm going to put all the cost of each and everything, because I'm trying to just rush over this video. I'm going to put the cost of each and everything, guys, on the screen. This was 550 shillings, and this is only 615 shillings. This is my best one, perfect and radiant. And this one is Nivea Perfect and Matte Effect Oil Control. I also got this one, and this was so affordable as well. And the cost of that one was, this one was 320 shillings. And then, guys, I got all these spices. So I got this basil and oregano. Each of these was 85 shillings. And then I got this cayenne pepper, was going for 100 shillings. I wanted to try this other type, and this was for 120 shillings. Things are getting expensive each and every time. I got the gram masala, I got the pilau masala, I got the turmeric powder. Yeah, these were not less than 120 shillings. I got the cinnamon. We're done with this one. Nescafe was going for 350 shillings. Oh, this one. Yeah, I feel like Nescafe is expensive here in Kenya, 395, and this is where we produce the coffee from. So the custard powder was 60 shillings. Then we got this Blue Band peanut butter. My son loves this one. The peanut butter, 348. And then, and also this Blue Band for baking. Let's see. Oh my god, I just keep on confusing each and everything. So guys, I'm just going to put it on the screen. And then moving on this other side, this one, 280. And Cowboy, I love this one for my chapatis, guys. You know I love these for my chapatis. So this was going for 215 shillings. And this other bigger one, icing sugar, was very affordable for my baking, 120 shillings. I'm going to indicate the cost here on the screen. I got this salt will never go high. The cost of salt is always the same. So I got these packs, 4 packs bicarbonate of soda, and then cloves, 78 shillings. This one was 816 shillings. Olive oil, I love it. For some of my dishes, I always use olive oil. I got this one for 216 shillings. This was buy one get one free. I don't know what this one is doing here. We got this one plus an extra one, which the boys have already taken. And also, guys, I got this one I've already taken. So guys, I got this Santa Maria, which is not bad, and the cost is friendly. I have Rina cooking oil, and the cooking oil was going for 890 shillings if I'm not wrong. And this Prestige for my baking, I always use this one. Since Blue Band is more expensive, I like using this one. And also I'm gonna be trying out Gold Band, guys, so let me know what you think about the Gold Band. This is a self-raising fortified wheat flour. And also I got, this is for baking, I got this sugar, 2 kgs. And then I also got this pack of tissue. And the cost of tissue, guys, here in Kenya is really raising each and every day. These are for my hubby. He got these too. I got this glass wine over here. Look at this. This is so cute. And I also got this other one. they are so unique. As you can tell, I got this, and I got another one. I have one from thrift shop, so I also got this one for my smoothies. And I got this cup. All these are heat resistant. I got this one, and I got another one. I think I shared with you where I normally get these ones from. This is so unique. I also got these ones. That's it for this video. Let me know, guys, if you think that some of these items are more expensive from where you're coming from, or if you think the cost of living here in Kenya is higher as compared to where you are living. Thank you so much for watching. Much love to you. Bye.